It's been a little over 3 years now, and I'm still really enjoying my KAMANINA 1-inch curtain rod. I got this in silver. This curtain rod is really well made, very sturdy. It is true to color on the listing, and so I really like how the silver of this rod is not a shiny silver, it's more of a matte silver. And the bulb at the end, the ball is a really nice touch. It makes this rod really elegant. The brackets are adjustable, so you can have the rod farther out from the wall or a little closer into the wall, depending on the width of your drapery. This rod does telescope. You can see the telescoping here, and we've locked it into place to accommodate our window space. If you are looking for a curtain rod to accommodate a larger window space that is both elegant and sturdy and functional, I 100% recommend this curtain rod.